Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2 Exercise 12.2 Question number 12. Check whether the statement P tends Q tends P is tautology or contradiction without using the truth table. Here the given statement is P and if Q and if P, which is equal negate P disjunction negate Q P. Instead of this, we can write like negation P disjunction negation Q disjunction P, which is negation P disjunction negation Q disjunction P. Associative law. Now further, negation P negation Q here negation P, then disjunction P disjunction negation Q. That's commutative law. Commutative law. Here negation P disjunction P is tautology, disjunction negation Q. Here further tautology disjunction negation Q. Here negation P disjunction P is tautology. Therefore is also tautology. Next question. Using truth table, check whether the statement negation P disjunction Q with disjunction of negation P conjunction Q and negation P are logically equivalent. Here P Q we can tell true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. P disjunction Q. T with T is T. T with false is T. False with T is T. False with false is false. For disjunction, with negate this is false, 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 true. Negation P is negate this one, false, false, true, true. Then this we have to do negation of P, disjunction Q with disjunction, negation P, and conjunction Q is with false, false, true, untrue. The entries in column 5, that is column 5, and column 6, column 5, here we need one more column. Negation P. Next is negation P with disjunction Q. Here negation of P disjunction Q with disjunction of negation of P conjunction Q. Here we have to find first, before that, negation of P conjunction of Q is here false, 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 true, false. With here this we have to do negation of P disjunction Q with disjunction negation of P conjunction Q is false, false, true, true. Now the entries in column 5, entries with column 5 and column 7 and column 7 are similar, identical or similar, identical. Therefore, the statements negation P of disjunction Q of negation P conjunction Q and negation P are identical or logically equivalent. Logically equivalent, we proved. Next, prove that P tens Q tens R is similar to P disjunction P conjunction Q to R without using truth table. Now, we know that P gives Q equal to negation P disjunction Q. Consider LHS, that is LHS is P tends to Q tends R, P tends Q tends R equal P tends negation Q R, disjunction R. Then negation P disjunction negation Q disjunction R, associative law. Associative law. Here which is equal here we can say P negation of P conjunction Q disjunction R, which is equal negation of P conjunction Q disjunction R gives this way equal P conjunction Q R, which is equal RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS proved. Now, question number 15th. Prove that P tends to conjunction Q negation Q disjunction R is similar to negation P disjunction negation Q disjunction R using truth tables. Here we will use T false 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 false. Next we can use T false false T false false. Next for R we can write T true false true false true false true false. Then negate Q. Negate Q means this is a Q column. Negate Q is false false true true false false true true. Negate Q disjunction R. Negate Q disjunction R, that is T F false, false, true and true is true, here true, false, true and true. Next here P tends negation Q, disjunction R. T, F, T, T, all become T. Now negation P is this. Negation of E is what? False, 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 true, 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 true. This last is negation of P with this. We have negation of P with these things. Negation of P with these two columns. False, true is true, false, all trues, trues, true, 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 true. Now the entries in column 6, this column 6, entries in column 6, the entries in column 6 here, one, two, three, four, five, six. The entries in column 6 is equivalent to column 8. This column and this column. So column 6 and column 8 are identical. Therefore we can say P tends negate Q, disjunction negate R is equivalent to negate P, disjunction negate Q, disjunction R. Hence proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.